Welcome to This Explainer. Every time you buy stuff online, cryptography's got your back. Let's dive in.
Honestly, modern internet security boils down to one simple, crucial question. Are you using one key or two?
So how exactly does the web keep your private DMs and credit card numbers totally hidden?
Encryption scrambles plain data into unreadable ciphertext. To pull this off, we rely on two distinct approaches.
In one corner, symmetric encryption. In the other, asymmetric encryption. Let's pit these two heavyweights against each other.
First up, symmetric encryption. This is where the exact same key both locks and unlocks your data.
Since it only needs one key, it's absolutely lightning fast, perfect for streaming or handling massive files.
AES is the absolute gold standard here. It's the real muscle protecting your hard drive and VPNs.
But wait, here's the fatal flaw. If both people need the same key, how do they safely share it?
Enter asymmetric encryption. It uses a brilliant mathematical workaround to completely solve that pesky key-sharing roadblock.
These public and private keys are literally mathematically linked forever. It's like a genius puzzle.
This creates a totally secure one-way street. Anyone can lock a message, but only the owner can unlock it.
You'll see algorithms like RSA and ECC powering this amazing two-key system every time you send a secure email.
So why not combine them, right? Let's see how these methods form the ultimate internet security tag team.
We use asymmetric crypto just to safely swap keys, then instantly switch to symmetric for that lightning speed.
We can also flip this logic completely backward to create unforgeable digital signatures. This proves a file's pure authenticity.
By locking a digital fingerprint with a private key, the sender provides absolute mathematical proof of their identity.
The most crucial takeaway? This exact hybrid model covers 90% of real-world internet cryptography. It's everywhere.
Using AES for heavy data lifting and RSA or ECC for secure introductions is totally the winning formula.
Now that the internet's magic is fully demystified, what secrets will you protect with this incredible knowledge?